Hi, so we are at Amritapuri, which is Amma's ashram here in Kerala in the southern tip of India. I just wanted to show you our accommodations. If you do plan on coming here, I suggest asking for a high floor, about $3 US a day, but you can't beat a view like this. And I'm going to show you, I can't film inside the ashram itself, but I'm going to show you the beautiful view outside. Right now, Amma's down there. She just started her darshan. Those are the backwaters of Kerala, the Arabian Sea. Mashiva. The building I was in last time.